Hello viewers, you're welcome to New Track Maths class. In today's tutorial, we will be looking at Modular Arithmetic 1. In previous classes, we have discussed the modular introduction and modular multiplication, but in this class, video series, we are going to look at modular addition and subtraction. So if you want the link to these previous videos, check the description section of this video. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, I want you to hit the subscribe button so that you can get a frequent update of our videos once they are published. We are going to look at modular addition and subtraction. Now, numbers in modular arithmetic, as we have seen in the introduction, can be added and subtracted. And this method of solving question on modular arithmetic, we call it addition and subtraction of modular arithmetic. And whenever you see this symbol in modular arithmetic, it simplifies addition. And whenever you see this symbol, it simplifies subtraction, respectively. Now, we are going to go straight into our board and then give an answer to this question. Question number 1 says 2 addition 4 in mode 4, 15 subtraction 8 in mode 3, 12 addition 7 subtraction 3 in mode 5, and 8 subtraction 15 in mode 5. We are going to see how we will get an answer to this question, to these various questions in our board. Now, join me as we go straight to the board. So right here, we are going to see an answer to questions on these topics. And on this topic, we are going to look at how to find questions as solutions to this question. Now, the first question, we are asked to find 2 addition 4 in mode 4. Now, how do we go about this question? Normally, we will look at it the way we do our normal addition. So, in our normal addition, we will be requested to add what? 2 plus 4. And 2 plus 4 will be in mode 4. In mode 4. Will be in mode 4. So 2 plus 4 will give us what? 2 plus 4 will give us 6 in mode what? In mode 4. So having gotten 6 in mode 4, the next thing we'll ask ourselves is to simplify. Remember, during the introduction classes, I told you that in modular arithmetic, the remainder in any calculation is very, very important because that is what forms the basis of your solution. So if we want to simplify that 6, we are going to have 1 times 4 will give us 6, right? Plus there will be a remainder, and the remainder will be what? Will be what? 2. It's just like when I have 1 times 4 is 4 plus 2 will give us what? Will give us 6. So 2 stands as the remainder if you followed us during our introduction. So we want to write out this in what? In modular arithmetic. So writing out this in modular arithmetic will give us what? 2, which is the remainder, 2 mod what? 2 mod 4. So whenever you are asked to express addition of 2 addition 4 in mode 4 to in modular arithmetic, this is the solution to what? To that question. Now let's look at the second question. The second question says we should subtract 15 subtraction 8 in mode 3. So for that second question, we're going to look at 15 minus 8 in mode what? We're asked to do that in mode 3. Now 15 minus 8 will give us what? That will give us 7. So we'll have our 7 in mode what? In mode 3. Now we want to break 7 in such a way that we will find out a remainder. Now 2 times 3 will give us what? That will give us 6. So 2 times 3 will give us 6. Now, if we add 1 to that 6, that will give us what? 7. So that means 1 is the what? Is the remainder. It's like when we divide 7 by 2, that will give us what? That will give us 3. 7 divided by 2 will give us 3 remainder what? Give us 3 remainder 1. So the remainder is the 1. So our final answer will be the remainder into bracket what? Mode of what? Mode of 3. So this is the expression in modular arithmetic. Straightforward and very easy. Now let's look at question number 3. In question number 3, we are asked to carry out an addition and subtraction operation. Now this time around, we are going to see how to go about that. So in question number 3, we are given that 12 plus 7 minus 3, and we are asked to do that in mode what? In mode 5. Mode 5 is just like the number of steps on the number of series or the number of gaps we are given before mentioning another of any of these. So 12 plus 7 will give us 19. 19 minus 3 will give us 16. So we'll have what? 16 mode 5. Now I want to simplify 16. If we simplify 16, 3 times 5 will give us what? Will give us 15, plus 1 will give us 16. So 1 remains the what? The remainder. If you are confused about how we went about doing this, I want you to watch the introduction section of this video on modular arithmetic. So this will give us finally our solution 1 mode 5, and that will be what? The solution to this question. So you see, solving question on modular arithmetic can be very, very easy. Now let's look at the final question. The final question, we are going to consider question number we're going to consider question number 4. So question number 4 says we should what? We should find 8 minus 15. Now 8 minus 15 is on the negative side. 8 minus 15 in mode 5. So 8 minus 15 will give us what? Minus what? 7. I want you to pay attention to how we're going to solve this question. Mode 5. So that will give us minus 7 mode 5. So how can we simplify this to convert this to a modular arithmetic format? So we are going to have what? 3 times minus 3 times 3 will give us what? Minus 3 times 3 will give us minus 9. So what do we do to get minus 7? Is to add 2 to this. If we add 2 to this, we are going to have minus what? Minus 7. So that will give us what? Plus what? Plus 2, all in mode what? All in mode 5. So if we simplify this further, we're going to have what? We're going to have 2 mode what? Mode 5 as our solution in modular what? In modular arithmetic. So you see, solving question on addition and subtraction of modular arithmetic can be very, very easy. All you need to know is to know the basics, which we have taught you in the introduction. I want you to check back that video, as you'll be finding the link in the introduction section of this video. Thanks so much for watching, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel, I want you to hit the subscribe button so that you can get a regular update of our weekly video once they are published. And be sure to share this video with your friends whom you know it will be of great benefit to. Thanks so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you watch our subsequent videos.